You get a dose say you old medicine you over there, ball. Eh? You get a dose say you old medicine over there. I up dirty woman this way ever call up people name. I'm gonna move in a bomber clot and come up from a blood clots in both take down. But also over there invade people for do this and do that. On the normal.
You hearing me?
Yes, Mr. rtboss.
Okay, I have an issue. Alright, may I try to get Nada? Come get Nada to me. So I have a problem with a lady on the media with some harassment, and she have record already, and she come from the fence, Ruben put everything. We have the name, we have everything, and she come at me, and me have a whole heap of things. I don't know how me want to address it right now, but when me really need, me need for Caraga. I don't know what one can do for me right now, but she depend on the media, make a whole heap of nice.
You want to come into the office?
RT.
I just want the lawyer give me a call.
RT, me no want you fit.
Alright, on a regular number which one of the number you want her to call you?
On my private number. I want you to call me on a private number.
Okay, no problem.
Listen to me.
Give her like 15 minutes.
I want soon as she give you the go ahead, you jump on it and type up everything and get the judge and our husband have to get involved on the ISIS thing. It's not a joke thing.
Where is the person located?
Me soon call you back.
All right,
no problem.
All right, bossy. If you tell you the truth, for me, right? I don't want this for her. All I'm saying, put up a regular picture of me and keep your court cases of me. Cost me, tell me what my mother bring me down, whatever. You cannot have RT, I am a public figure. I am a lawfully abiding citizen, so she cannot put my picture.
Go tell the girl to come off of the live. You need to leave with you fuck with people. Why you got put this on the woman face and them something where you know reputable? I can see if you were an immigration green card holder or a citizen, but you're not a body. So me buy you a ticket. And then again, cheese American of it you. American of fit your blood clot. You go back and go blood clot run up and down. I'm beg cigarette and say beg 1,000.
I don't have a problem with her keeping her case.
Jamaica fit you.
Understand. Listen, guys, I don't have a problem because everybody look them hype on them clothes. So them get it up for them business that. You understand?
We don't know why people like when come a foreign come turn
guys, what I need right now is her full name. That's what I need, because this you're harassing. One thing anybody can tell you about me, once you put out something about me that's not truth, I go crazy. And guess what? I leave you guys to having a fun, class me, do a thing, rub me ear, bring me down there. But when you're going to fucking do this, you don't do that. You don't do that.
Listen me now.
Put up a regular fucking photo of me and keep your case. Me and you is not the same. I don't have mugshots. You have mugshots. You're on probation.
Them the picture there. We not take them the picture there. We not take them the picture there. We not use them the photographer there. We not use them the photographer there. We not take mugshot.
And then now she's live. Look, she's live. Look.
Let the people them hear 1 minute. Wait, just play a clip. Let them hear what she done.
It's on a weekend not call immigration.
I go ball and fret, you know.
Me never call no immigration, but hold on.
Me a call. Me a blood clot call. Last time I'm afraid of nobody.
Me can't hear. I don't know why the fuck you watch these people. I don't even want to see them. Please.
Talk me bling. Blood clot. You go ball. Father God can't help you. God not like you because you too much blood clot transplant still can't better in a life. God don't like your cheese. He's a sausacis to a succotasis.
Hold on, RT. Hold on there. Give me 1 second.
Blood clot you call up and God like that. I'm going to go say no. Here, go outside. Let me.
Hello? Hello?
Huh? What's up?
Hi. I want to ask you something. Are you sleeping?
No, you good. I'm off work.
All right. So listen, I'm not making any problems or anything. So this girl made a mugshot of me, put it up on the media, you know the people them bad mind me and all these things, right? So you know they're trying their very best. So I'm saying, all right, you're gonna keep a court case on me, keep a court case, but put up a regular picture. When I tell you this bitch has tons of charges on her, even on probation she is on right now. What I'm asking from you is, I feel harassed, right?
I mean, if you feel harassed, basically she's on probation. She can basically go back to jail. Second of all, she can be deported if she doesn't have a green card, because right now, to how it's going on in the police industry and government industry, it's like they're getting more strict when it comes to breaking the law, and if you're not even a citizen or a green card holder. So basically, if she's on probation, she 95% she will be sent back to Jamaica if she have even more than one criminal offense, even if it's misdemeanor or felony.
And this is somebody will walk on thief, all amount of charges where him have on him. And me now, just I say, keep your court case, because she stole my idea, which I don't care because I have one court. But then you're going to put out my photos of people who are watching me, and I am a public figure, whether they want to believe it like it or not. You don't put my face in any mugshot. So what I'm asking you, what is it I can do right now? Because I'm going to poke her back.
The only thing you can do, legally, is because where's she at again?
She there in a Bronx, Bada, Mount Vernon, right there. So she there in a New York City.
Oh shit! So, you listen to me. The only thing you can do, is file for harassment, and that's gonna get her fucked up. So, if that's what you wanna do, you're gonna have to prepare for the backlash.
That's what I'm telling these people on my live. I tell them, I said, if my friend rtboss is trying to call his lawyer, and I really don't want the immigration and those things get involved. You understand? I just need this bitch. She been poking me, and I'm not looking. I just need this fucking slut to leave me alone. You understand? Put up all the pictures you want, but do not put my picture in a fucking mugshot. Me and her is not the same thing. She has a tons of mugshots.
Basically, she has her. I know that she has her probation officer. If you want me to find her probation officer, that is easy. But
yes.
Probation officer.
I want to speak to the probation officer, but let me say this to you. I just call you detective to ask you a question, and I know you're disappointed in me, but this is just my thing that I do on the media. You will not understand. You understand? I tell you that I make an income from this, but please to understand where I'm coming from. I know you don't like this, but please just understand why I do what I do. Okay?
Listen, to me personally, I understand what you're saying, but for me personally, that gonna jeopardize everything that she basically have right now. If you will talk to a probation officer, once you break that probation shit, it's a wrap. It's over. It's over. So I'm if that's what you really want to do, that's fine.
Yes, me pay feet. Yes, me pay feet. Yes.
That you really want to do.
Yes, me rather do that than OBR. Yes, because me OBR, me kill that. So just do it. Yes.
So what I can do,
I'm gonna get her right name. No, yes. I need her right name. So I'm gonna ask my followers for her right name, which I'm gonna get it. And then I'm gonna send it to you, and you tell me my next step from. I have to make an example out of them. I'm tired of the nonsense. I'm so tired of the fucking nonsense. You understand me? People can say anything about me, but you don't put my fucking face in any mugshot.
As I said to you, I know you want to make an example, but I'm saying is that I want you to take a second. Don't think ignorant with what I'm saying. Think about it. No, she's over here and she probably don't have certain shit.
I don't give a fuck. She should think about that before she put my face in shit.
Can you just listen just for 1 second? Don't say anything, right? No, she did that, which is she's wrong for doing that. No, you want something to be done about it, and I'm telling you, legally, the only thing you can do basically is fucking talk to that fucking parole officer. When you talk to that parole officer, yes, and you told him or her what she have done,
Yes.
What that going to do right now? One, she going to either go to jail for a long time and then get deported, or they just deport her immediately. So that's what I'm asking you. Is that something that you want to do? Because
I really
have to
don't
give a
want
written
her.
apology.
Listen,
She have to give a public
I really
apology.
don't want her to be. Listen,
Public
me and
apology.
RT, another gentleman on the media, we are basically family, right? So we keep shows and stuff. Now, when people trouble us, we cuss and trouble them back. But we have never gone this far where we're calling immigration and we don't do these things. They have to poke us. Now, because they're weak, they want to start on me. She's looking for a war with me, and I can't give her the war because I won't benefit from it. Money is what I make on this app. She has none for me to get. She can't give me any followers. She can't give me any clout. So I'm not looking. So now she said she stole my idea, so she's going to keep court case. Fine. I don't care because it's one court. But sir, she then says she's going to keep a court case on me this evening, which I don't give a fuck. But take my picture from out of that mugshot. Because this picture that you're going to put on, that you put up on the media, and she's live right now with that picture showing people. What about the people who don't know me? What
All right,
about
so
the people
Blinga,
yeah.
So the police in New York, them are go look for her. And with the screenshot and everything what we send and so forth.
Auntie, I need her right name.
No man, me deal with the TikTok, what's your name? TikTok lawyer and my people, and we have information. I know she's long time, I may never come. So what they're going to do, they will go at the house for her, don't go question her and bring her down at the station. So they are on it as we speak. But ask him for the information for the judge. Me, I got you. I don't give a fuck. Me, no business what nobody want to say.
The parole officer, RT, not the judge, the parole officer.
Parole officer. We got you. So by now and later, you're supposed to say she not going to be live because they're going to go for her at that address. Unless she leave. Me not joking. You know say me will be a week.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Right? All these people that basically like comment and be on your side or her side, do they really know that when you break a probation, do they know how serious that is? That's like a fucking felony.
They don't know these things. That's why I'm saying you have some little guinea head, chicken head, where always
them duns, man, them duns.
Run off them mouth. And me always, you see, enough time me have to stop RT from a lot of things. Me don't know how this man still talk to me. Right now, me have to go in him head. Because me don't want him to do the immigration something. Because me don't think it that serious. Me just want this girl take down this fucking shit, put up a different picture and go keep her court case, brother. You understand? I don't like this. You know, Instagram, TikTok, know my social security number? This is an extra income for me. And I don't know if she don't know that this is serious. This is harassment. I feel like I've been harassed.
She that arrest me all my life. I'm in up here and my people.
One thing I can tell you right now, for you and that guy RT that is on the TikTok talking.
Yeah.
One thing I can tell you right now, be careful what y'all saying on there right now because there's a couple NYPD watching the live right now. So be careful.
You are one of them, me know.
So are you at work now? You say I didn't know. Listen, sir, me just want you to understand, say I am not, I really not like this. It's just, me tired of them. And them can't make me log off of the internet. But I'm just saying, I don't want any deporting part. I just need the part. She need to take down that shit, put up a different photo, keep her court case.
I think the other guy, rtboss, will understand. I don't think you get it. You want her to take the picture down and understand that. But legally, the only thing you can do is file for the harassment. She go back to jail and go back home. There's nothing else you can do unless you're going to pay someone to beat her or something.
I'm not like that. I'm not those things.
But I'm trying to tell you, your other option, if you want something to happen for her to listen, that's the only legal way you can do.
You're happy. You're happy. Happy now use the errors.
All right. So
All right, just bling.
yes,
Get the probation man number and the argument done.
I need her name, RT, to give to my
Me say we
detective.
have it. So we come off of the phone. Me I send you, check your WhatsApp or you just deal with it.
I'm gonna send you the name.
Who you know? Listen, me know cheese long time. Me know cheese our sister. Puss.
I'm gonna send you the name, and you got when you run it, you're going to be shocked.
Remember say cheese. Remember I'm saying money in a cheese cash app. How many of you have her name?
What did you say, sir?
I'm saying that you can send it to me now because I have to go down by the station regardless because I have something to do. So
all right, tell him okay. Tell him 5 minutes.
All right. Thank you very much. I'm gonna send it to you. Thank you.
Nothing about not the name. You're crazy. You don't know the name. She's nobody. For the people that know name.
All right.
For those of you who see what happened now, I'm showing you this so you even understand. And this is what you need to understand. Yes, we're dirty. Yes, we're baga. Yes, this, that. Yes, we are bring down people, but nobody know that if we bring we down. And if cheese are the one to try to bring we down, she not qualify, so we dip our blood clot. So therefore,
time is what they reap, they sow. And then take set pan cheese. And cheese, when cheese time come, cheese won't always hot, you know. So they say the attack claps are gonna come, cause when cheese are come out, you come out wicked.
Them don't like the clap back.
No.
Missy Big One put a verse a blood clot something on my picture. And when me go police station, the people them say, nothing wrong. Because my date of birth wrong. And my real name depend it.
Yeah.
And me. Even though my picture them put on it.
Yeah, I
But
know.
I
I try to
different
finish
identity.
smart,
So
but
I'm going to do not do my friend.
RT, what's the name? What's her right
Miss,
name? Like, from
I
the
know I write name because they on Instagram.
No,
Because
she
I
was
use
saying
a
that
right
like
name.
you shouldn't know that's your name. Yeah, I know. What's the name? What's the date of birth?
That's not Blinga real face. You just see filter over it. Oh, we know a Blinga for true.
They're
You know,
asking
for our
cheese.
live, me
They're
take it
asking
last
for
night.
cheese real name because them claim say they want to report her. So
So
whosoever
why
them
they not go and go do it?
want her
I
real.
think
No, but
They
one
can't do
thing,
nothing.
her name on her page is her right name. She not use no fake name.
Exactly.
All
I
right,
think
yeah, our
police
people
not
bitter. Yeah, them bitter. Imagine them people say a people report Ivan make cheese real.
And I eat them and come back, come do.
She's
In
hard.
a
No,
crowd.
people
I'm
was in at the
saying, they
comments and
don't
so
even
no,
And
know
them
the
over
not
media you
the
fucked up,
guy.
brother.
that come back and do the same thing to you. Then
Thank
come
you.
and try to do this you for just one little skill where you above them. Just one little skill where above
Just a
them.
little
Me say,
skill.
Mama, you
Not
know,
a
hear me,
lot,
you know.
just a
No
little
bother with the
skill.
lele. Me say, just use your brain. Just continue to use your brain and win.
We are think out of the
Focus on
box.
to use your brain and win. Wicked,
They must
wicked,
think
the blood.
police not nothing to do. Police not nothing to do for run down cheese. Look how much gunman out there.
Well, look how much life them depend on skill record that do me wicked.
Can't do cheese.
But RT, me can. Well, look how RT post my baby father and me picture.
They
And
say
I
bring down RT. They
inciting
never
people
filter
them
for
and I
long
say
than a
my baby father
Satan.
give me AIDS. Who are you? You study fuck.
Yeah, it's make your fat and look good, though, good.
That now? You know,
And I
you're
like
not
TikTok. I
clean
really,
girl.
it's never, they're going to show me. I tell a lie.
Clean girl.
When half time I pay that man that cloud tracer then man. We are doing the court I got the clothes and wig.